why I'm you putting your foot on me.
Because I don't want to.
You said that comfortable.
It was, but not anymore. Stop.
Soft. That's soft.
How old are you, Kimberly?
6!
Are you old enough to get a tattoo?
No!
Stop. You need to sit in your own bubble.
I ain't.
I think
Let's make some sounds. Now it's your turn.
I'm waiting for Heather to text me back.
No. Heather didn't even talk to you.
Yes, she did.
No.
Yes, she did.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
Nuh-uh.
I'm waiting for her to reply right now.
Okay, she just did.
No, she didn't.
And text.
Please stop.
It's true. Matthew is text every day. And calling.
Calling who?
Everybody.
Even me?
Hmm? Remember Matthew hanged up on you?
Yes. Were you in the car when he did that?
Yep.
Sit down. Was he mad?
Yep. No, Mama did.
Huh?
Mama was. Do you like my new ring?
But was Matthew mad at me?
Yeah.
Like, really mad?
Yeah.
Did I make him cry?
Yeah.
I didn't mean to. He was mean to me, though.
Yeah, but you called him a bad name.
Yeah, but he was mean to me.
Yeah, I know he was. That was
Do you know how?
sad.
Do you know how mean he was to me?
Mhm. Really mean.
He pissed me off. That's why I called him a bad name.
Yep. And I heard it. I can see it's a really, really bad word. There they come. Only Adam and